This is activated cordyceps powder. Cordyceps is a fungi that contains beneficial compounds that are naturally locked inside of tough chitin cell walls, making them less accessible in their raw form. To activate it, I start by grinding the dried cordyceps fungi into a fine powder, and I do this step outside because it tends to create a lot of dust. I then add the powder into a crock pot with just enough water to cover it and then let it simmer on a low heat for about 3 hours, stirring occasionally. The hot water helps break down the chitin cell walls, releasing the compounds into a form that is much more readily available. In previous batches, I filtered out the mushroom solids and kept only the liquid extract. However, I consistently found that the resulting extract powder was less stable and absorbed moisture much more easily. To solve that problem, I now leave the mushroom material in the mixture and freeze dry the entire batch. Keeping the mushroom solids in the extract helps create a stable powder and stays dry and easy to work with. When the solids are removed, the resulting extract powder can become highly hygroscopic, meaning it readily absorbs moisture from the air and can quickly clump or turn sticky inside of capsules. Once freeze-dried, the activated cordyceps is ground into a fine powder and is ready to be encapsulated, blended into drinks, or used however you prefer. If you don't have access to a freeze dryer, a food dehydrator set to low heat can also produce good results. And that's it, a simple way to turn dried cordyceps into a stable activated powder that's easy to store and use. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you come up with some ideas about how you can make medicinal mushroom extracts. And if you're growing mushrooms yourself like I do, you should check out my new website, mycovault.app. It's what I use to track my entire culture library, including agar plates, liquid cultures, grain spawn, and fruiting blocks. You'll find a link for that in the description if you want to give it a try.